guys! Welcome back again to another video. Today is the day.
Come on!
Do you really need a bag? Ay nako. Kainis talaga to siya guys.
Well, you gotta bring the bag back.
Yeah, I know. Here. Drop off muna namin to. Come on. Come on. One by one, hon.
Go feed the dog. Heavy on bottom.
Okay, that's good for now. Go feed him first.
You gotta close the curtains, no?
No, that's fine. It's morning.
I don't like it even like
So guys, today is the day. Mamimili kami ng
pay stub?
aking... What? Asawa ng
How you gonna get credit if you
dining table. Pero, itry ko mag-apply guys kasi uutangin ko. Bakit? Dahil, para magkaroon pa ako ng credit ba and more credit pa para mag-high talaga yung credit score ko, which is very important talaga dito sa Amerika. Also guys, kasi bibilhan ko ang aking asawa ng mattress. Request po niya guys. And we did look, magkano din ang mattress guys. But the mattress daw, regalo ko for him. So, ika-cash natin yan. My budget will be only $1,500. Deserve niya din eh. Kasi kawawa naman ang asawa ko. Masakit yung likod niya. So, he deserve niya ng bagong mattress. And also, drop off namin ang packages. And then we go to FedEx. Because I need to bring the document pala. Tara, nakalimutan ko.
This is becoming pretty
Stop by muna kami sa post
becoming
office.
pretty busy.
Yeah. Para ma-drop off lang yung mga packages na orders. Diyan ang post office, guys. Always nyo naman yung nakikita, di ba? United States Post. It's good to work in the post office, right? You said? Because of the benefits, or
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad.
there's opening spot right there, my dear.
That's too far away.
Ah, okay. Na ata kami diretso kung open na. Mamili ng, titingin-tingin muna kami ng furnitures. So,
Okay, have
go.
a good day.
Hmm.
Me?
yeah. Just turn it off. Just turn it
Well,
off.
what the fuck?
It's bad word, guys.
How old are you?
10.
How old am I?
You said you're only 50, so that's why consider yourself blessed. Tingnan mo.
I ain't doing no scanning.
He is very supportive.
It'll make me go in.
Kahit magreklamo yan siya dahil siya pinapapasok ko. Pero guys, really, I'm very blessed to have my husband kasi he's very supportive in everything. Siguro nasusubaybayan naman ako ng iba. Like before pa, you know. Hindi naman niya ako spoiled sa mga luxury stuff like mga purse, mga ano-ano pa man, mga gamit ko. But he does support me and spoiled me with investments kasi he knows that investments is way better compared to, alam mo na, mga loho lang na mga sa gilid-gilid. That's why every time pag sinasabi ko sa kanya, oh, I found this property and I think it's affordable and in the future we can use it, he's like ready to go to check it out, you know. And then if we think and if I think and if he think that we can't afford for now, then we should like take a pause and we talk about it, something like that. But most of the time nag-agree siya and then he does support me, guys, financially, everything. So, yep. Lucky me! Walmart muna kami dahil close pa ang Ashley. Mag-grocery muna kami ng konti. Quiet. Dramatic talaga tong aking asawa ba? What do you mean? I don't know what you want, babe. I still love everything. You still have that, and that goes bad fast. Hindi niya alam kung anong i-grocery niya.
You got bread?
Yes, sir.
Do I got bread?
Ito yung mga magagandang cheese
Do I
dito.
got bread?
Yeah, you still have bread. Hindi niya alam kung anong bibilhin niya dito. Maybe I should get oyster sauce.
This is pretty good.
Oh, don't forget mayonnaise, honey.
Look, this is a good.
Okay. Bigyan siya ng mayo, guys. What? Let me just grab this. I need this for my tuna. You should get more tuna for me. Kuha tayo nito, guys. Olive oil mayonnaise dressing. This one and this one. Ay, patay. It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
So, it's good to shop this time, guys. Kasi walang masyadong tao here. Kaya maganda mamili ngayon. Actually, palubat. Ayoko malubat yung ano ko kasi gusto kong mag-film doon sa ano. No, I just wanna stock up. Mag-film doon sa furniture place. Kasi yun talaga ang goal for today's video. Okay? Ito naman dito yung mga Asian stuff nila. Oh, tingnan nyo. Mas mura sila dito. Oh. Yung sardines. 1.46 lang. Tapos, chips. May mga chips pa dyan. Boy bawang. Kuha nga tayo ng boy bawang. Dalawa. Dito na kami sa
They're all
loob.
around the whole store.
Okay. Dahil open na po sila. So, magtitingin-tingin po kami ni asawa dito. Hopefully, may makita po kaming maganda. Na bet ko. Kasi ang gaganda dito, di ba? This one is nice. Ang ganda. Yeah, I just don't like the color or something. Maganda din doon. In fairness, maraming maganda. Tingin-tingin lang kami ni asawa ko. Hopefully, may makita talaga kami na perfect talaga sa kailangan namin. So, kailangan po natin mag-voice over, no? Dahil grabe yung music. Anyway, so dito na area mga guys, wala po talaga kaming napili kasi ayan ang aking asawa. Dahil syempre, murayta lang siya ba, pero it looks really cheap talaga. Mahirap na baka pag isang upo lang masira agad. So doon na lang tayo sa quality talaga. So, nagtitingin-tingin lang kami dito mga guys. And talagang undecided pa kami. Hindi namin nirarush kasi ang pagbili nito dahil nga first, gusto ko talaga yung bet na bet ko talaga. Anyway, maya-maya mga guys, lalapitan na po kami ng mag-a-assist dyan sa amin. Siyempre, tutulungan niya kaming mag-decide at the same time, tutsurbahin niya kami. So, finally mga guys, nakapili na po kami ng bet na bet ko talagang dining table. So, minix and match ko lang siya para perfect talaga siya sa aming living room, no? Anyway, inaantay lang namin yung paperwork mga guys kasi para makagora na kami and they will deliver it probably in 2 weeks mga guys, no? So, abangan na lang po natin. Hopefully, makapag-vlog tayo niyan. Nag-check up po ako sa inyo mga guys pero sa totoo lang mga guys is grabe yung musika. That's why I had to turn it off. Anyway mga guys, pagkatapos nito mga guys, go rebels na po kami, no? Dahil we're gonna go to the school and pick up Gabriel. So, see you guys later. Checka muna kami ni Afam mga guys dahil wala pa talaga yung papeles, inaantay pa namin. So, anyway, eto na mga guys. Kailangan natin tong bayaran. Charot. Pero pinili po namin mga guys yung 1 year lang, no? Para no interest mga guys. Ganyan lang ang goal. Pag gusto mo magkaroon ng credit score, utang ka, and then you have to pay it off right away. Kasi hindi pwedeng wala kang credit score dito sa Amerika mga guys. Dahil very important ito ang pagkakaroon ng credit score. Anyway mga guys, magagora na po kami. Okay, see you. Let me get the number 18 chicken nuggets, 8 piece, no soda. For Gabriel. Yeah. And
1 order of the stuffed jalapeno.
The 3 or the 7?
Huh?
The 3 or the 7?
Let me have 7.
okay. Here. Thank you.
She's buying all of
Oh, it's gonna be the window. I'm gonna reach your order though.
Oh.
It's gonna be the 7-step jalapeno poppers, the 8-piece nugget, the Swiss buttery smash jack with a regular shake, small fry, and then the monster tacos with the jumbo jack, fry no salt, regular with Coke.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 43.57 in total.
Thank you.
What'd you order?
I don't know. Starving. So guys, tapos na kami doon sa furniture. Natagalan guys. Gutom na ako. So
Nobody there.
nag-drive
Get a free
na
table.
nag-drive through lang kami ni husband.
Right?
Bilihan din
Nobody
namin si
down, get a
Gabriel.
free table.
To be 43.57.
Thank you.
How to say ketchup?
Can I get, do you have ranch?
Ranch? Yeah.
And some ketchup.
And what else?
Ketchup?
Do they have barbecue sauce? Barbecue sauce.
Oh, you want barbecue sauce?
Yeah, why not?
What?
So, bili lang kami para diretso na kami sa school dahil kunin na po namin si Gabriel guys. Kasi kung uwi ka pa kami, malilate na kami. So, bili na namin yung order namin and then we go straight to the school.
Do you have a barbecue sauce too?
Sorry?
Give
Barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
And then can I pick up so I can run to the handicap area or bring it out to you?
On that side?
Yeah, like here's the handicap area.
Thank you,
Alright,
handicap area. Wait. Guys, shake.
Hey, that's a good looking shake.
You want to share with me, honey?
You better take care of that. Mr. O will be mad about that.
The only thing I did not get him because it's gonna take a while to get him. So,
I bought those poppers for you so you could try them. You'll probably like them.
tapos,
In the handicap area?
yeah.
I was hungry.
Me too. Dito na kami sa school, nag-aantay sa labas. Mahaba-haba yung pila guys. Pero okay lang yan. At least we made it. Ito na yung food namin. Ang burger siya. And meron kami mga shake and drinks dyan. Ito yung akin. Burger, fries. Meron pa dyan guys.
No wonder it costs so much.
Share lang kami. Yeah, you get this. How much for this? Jalapeno. Masarap.
Mm-hmm.
Good though. I like. I said I like it. Gutom na kami.
Jalapeno poppers or whatever.
Yeah.
Stuffed jalapenos is what it's called. Another one? They all opened up and fell out.
Look who's here. So excited to eat his koan. How's your day,
Kuan,
Mr. Worley? I like Mr. Worley.
Mr. Worley, and Mr.
Mr. Who?
I forgot the guy's name. He was at the basketball.
Oh, okay. Gabriel is done with the school, guys. Now he's eating his snack.
How's that, oh?
How's your day?
Good.
All right.
I already said that it was good.
Oh, I'm sorry. What you do today?
So like
What'd you eat?
at lunch, was super bad
Why?
Super bad?
because one of my students literally did a lot of things
Is in
and
trouble?
literally got a red note to the office
Uh-oh.
and got in real big trouble.
Uh-oh. He's in trouble?
It's a she.
Oh. Anyway, congratulations. I think you guys are doing a pizza party for having a good attendance, right?
Yep.
All right.
But the pizza party is only on Friday.
Yeah.
So you don't need to take your lunch Friday, right?
Yes, he still has to take at least just in case of emergency. Guys, pauwi na kami, guys.
Well, if he's having pizza, he's not going to be hungry for his lunch.
Yeah, but I like to give him
Got Jack in the Box.
because